Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you're all fine. You are doing your work very well. Now open your computer book of class 3. We are going to start our new chapter. The topic of our new chapter is Introduction to MS Windows 7. When you switch on the computer, you will notice a lot of changes taking place on the screen. These changes are caused by operating system. Your brain controls all the activities of your computer. Similarly, the operating system controls all the activities of a computer. It's mean that when we open our when we on our computer, it some changings are there in the on a, we can see on the screen. And all being done by operating system. It controls all the activities done by a computer as our brain controls our body. Now you are all thinking, what is an operating system? An operating system is a software that carries out of important activities of the computer, help us to communicate with computer. It's mean that the computer operating systems control all the activities of computer which we are doing in a computer, and it carries all the important activities, important informations to that parts which are relating to the which are relating informations of these. Now the most of computers software Microsoft Windows as an operating system. Microsoft Windows MS Windows system is available in many forms called versions, and such as MS Windows 98, MS Windows XP, MS Windows Vista, and the MS Windows 7. You are seeing the students that I underline some lines, so you have to underline those lines which I underline. Okay, it's mean that the Microsoft Windows are working as an operating systems which have different versions. You can I show you the names. MS Windows 98, MS Windows XP, MS Windows Vista, and the MS Windows 7. Now most of MS Windows 7 is used in our computer system, so we can learn we so let us learn about the features of MS Windows 7. MS Windows 7. The MS Windows 7 is an operating system which runs on our computer. I may it helps you to do a lot of work on a computer. MS with 7 looks like a picture is given below. You can see that the MS Windows is working as an operating systems, and when we open our computer where is MS Windows 7 is loaded, then you can see this kind of picture of MS Windows 7 screen. And what is the desktop? When MS Windows 7 starts, a new screen appears as shown in a figure below. This is called a desktop. When the window starts, so we can see this kind of pictures. It's the background picture is called a desktop. Here are some icons like the icons is my computer and recycle bin. Here is a task bar. Now we can talk about on our next pages in detail. So open your page number 26. The topic is the component of a desktop. Icons. You can see a small picture on a desktop. These pictures are called icons. Like this, the curve we can see in our previous page. Some icons, my computer and recycle bin. These are the small pictures present on desktop. These are called icons. When you double click or click an icon, a file or program open. Some important icons on desktop computer recycle bin. It's mean that when we are clicking on them, double clicking on them, our icon will be open, which we and the desktop background, the picture image that appears on the desktop is called a desktop background, and it can be changed from time to time. Here when the window starts, here is a desktop. Here's a desktop picture you can see. it can be changed. If you want to change it, it can be changed according to your desire. Here is the properties, and through the properties you can change the desktop. The taskbar, the band or a pic. The taskbar is a band or a strip like a area at the bottom of the taskbar is called a taskbar, and it contains the large start button in the left corner and the clock is the right corner. Here is a task picture of taskbar. Here is the left corner is the start button, and here is the right corner where is the clock and internet signs. Our volume sign is also be there. So on the clock, you can see the time in the right corner of the taskbar. When you move the mouse monitor to the right corner, you will see the date and time appearing on the task desktop. Here is it when we click on our right corner of the clock, then we can see the what is time and what is date today on our desktop. The start button in the left corner of the task is called the start button. When you click on a start button, a list of programs is opened. This list is called the start menu. Here when we click on this on our left corner the start, and there is a menu appears where the different kinds of our functions of a computer are will be shown, and this menu is called our start menu. Our next topic is run. The run option helps to start program to run any program. And click on a start button, a menu screen appears. You move the mouse pointer just below all the programs where you can see a blank space, and this is called the search program and files option. Type type run by using the keyboard. A list of options will appear on the screen. Here when we click on our start button, here is the menu will be appear on our screen, and here is a space. Then we write on a run on it. Then we write a run with the help of our keyboard. Here is a menu. Here is a menu start, and on which type of our program and file option will be given, and then we start our program. Okay, turn your page number 20. Move the mouse pointer to the run option and press enter. A new small window appears on the screen. Then the type the name of program you want to open. Click on OK to open it. Here is when you click on the run, there is a small window appear. Then you if you want to open MS Paint, then just write MS Paint and click on OK. Then you can see the MS Paint on your screen. Our next topic is shutdown. Shutdown help us to close all program on a computer. To shut down option, follow the given steps. Click on a start button on a taskbar. The start menu screens appears. Click on shutdown button on the lower right corner of the menu. Here is a start button. When you click here it is the our may it can our lower right corner. Here is our shutdown button is here. Then click on a shutdown menu. Now come on the next page number 29. Now switch off the power button on the monitor. Here is the power button on a monitor. You can switch off it. Switch off the power buttons on the CPU. Here are the some power buttons on a CPU. Then you have to switch off all these buttons. Switch off the main power supply. Here is the power supply. Then you have at the end everything will be closed. Then you close the buttons. Okay, the next topic, our last topic is gaggers. Gaggers are the tools which are used to see the information in easy way. X7 gaggers are calendars, clock, weather, picture, puzzle, etc. You have to underline this highlighted area. These figures are alongside show the gadgets. For example, the clothes display the time. Here are the gadgets, and this is the tools to get the information over easily. Like we can get the weather, then we get about LED calendar, about clock, about CPU meter, about slideshows. Each and everything we can get from this very easily. Weather shows the information about weather of a place around the world. And calendar series pages show the days and weeks of a month of year. You have to underline this. From weather we know about the whole world weather. Calendars show about the months and years of the year, months, weeks and days, which is day to day, and this and everything will be shown in the calendar. Now some vocabulary words for you. The vocabulary words are operating system, OPERATING, operating system. Microsoft window, MICROSOFTWINDOWS, Windows. Desktop, DEXTOP, desktop. Recycle bin, RECYCLEBIN, bin. Taskbar, TASK, taskbar, BAR, bar. Appear, APPER, appear. Gadget, GADGET. Power supply, POWERSUPPLY, power supply. Here are questions. You have to give the answers, and you have to solve these questions on your loose sheets. What is the desktop? What are icons? Write the steps how to shut down the computer. Which series does calendar show? If you can see on page number 29 at the end of the chapter calendar, here is the answer of calendar. Write the name of the MS window. How we can see the date and time on desktop? Here are some six questions for you. You have to give the answers on your loose sheet. Now open your exercise page number 30. Here is your page number exercise, page number 30. Multiple choice questions. Here are three questions of multiple choice. You have to do your own self. And next, here is the choose the correct options and write in the shape provided. In the space provided. Here is a sentence, and here is the three options given to you. Which one is correct? You can write here, and also tick the correct option. Okay, open the page number 31. Here is the fill in the blanks. May you have some vocabulary words on top of the blanks. Then you have to put the correct words according to the sentences. The other question is, tick the correct and cross the wrong ones. If it is there are statements, five statements. If there are true, then you have to give the tick sign. If you have it is cross, when you have to put the cross sign. Now I hope you understand your chapter very well. Now best of luck for you. Allah Hafiz.